Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Family Farm. Today we're going to be going to a play day. Last night, I'll put some video in at the end of the video. We went to a barrel race in, it's down by Shawnee. I can't remember the dang name of the arena. Last night it was only Nina and I at home. The kids ended up staying over at their grandmother's house. So we're going to be going to Stillwater. There's another play day, and Ava's going to be running barrels, poles, and flags. It's pretty windy, so I'll try to keep it as unwindy as I can. We did end up getting a new truck. We got a 2009 Ram 2500. I haven't showed you guys yet. We've had it for a week and a half now. It's seems to be a pretty good truck. I'm not very brand specific on what brand of vehicle that I drive. I've had Dodges, I've had Chevys, I've had Fords. I particularly prefer the Fords. I always have. I don't know why. It's just a personal preference. But there's nothing wrong with the Dodges. This one, it runs good. They've done a lot of work to it. The people that I bought it from, I mean, it runs really good. So we will get going down the road, and I'll catch you guys down there at the arena. Hey, what are you doing?
I don't want that to get feet on.
Do you want me to set it in the trailer, babe? Hey, Nina, you want to take this with you and show the little foals?
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Good morning. What you doing, Raven? She's got a little scratch on her forehead. Our little fancy here. Let me close the gate. Let me close the gate. Can't ever get away from them to record them.
Good job.
Look where you're going. Get him.
Good job, Ava. 14.84. Good job, 21.507.
Oh, from the beaver. Well, that's what he said. I don't know what the beaver.
You can tell he wants to go.
Is she coming?
The thing is, she learned how to hold on. Come on, Ava.
Jeez, give him the wrong signals.
22.59.
Go, Ava.
Twenty-two oh nine.